Dear children, now I will show how we can open Scratch program. Okay, so for that, first we want to install or download that Scratch software in our system. After downloading, we can see an icon like this. Okay, so then after downloading, we have to double click this icon. Now, when we open Scratch, we will get a window like this. Now we can discuss the basic parts or components of the Scratch window. The topmost bar is called title bar. Title bar is common for all programs. It displays the program which we open. Here we open Scratch program, so we can see the name Scratch, and the version we are using is 3.26. And right end we can see three buttons, that is minimize button, maximize or restore button, and close button. Minimize button to reduce the window to an icon and arrange on the taskbar. When we are clicking on the button again, we will get to the previous window. Then next one, maximize button. Once you maximize, that automatically changes to restore. Now see the name restore down. When you are clicking restore button, we will get to the previous screen, that is maximize screen. Okay, so maximize or restore down, and last button is close button. This is common to all softwares. Below the title bar we can see menu bar. Menu bar, below that one we can see that menu bar. Menu bar displays, that is the logo. We can see that Scratch logo in the beginning. Then the next one is, here we can change the language. If you want change the language, we can click on the arrow mark. Now we already selected English language, so that is for language selection. And next one is file tab. When we are clicking on file tab, we for file menu we will get these three options. The same way edit menu also there. Okay, then next one is tutorial. Tutorial means that will display, if we don't know how to do use these options, we will get that tutorial. Through the tutorial we can study also. That is the use of tutorials. Then next one is change the project name. These are displays on the menu bar. Below that menu bar we can see block palettes. That is 10 blocks are there. Which are the different 10 blocks? That is, we can see motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my block. These are the 10 blocks. When we are clicking on each block, we will get different options under each block. Now looks block is this click. Now I click on sound block, event block, control block, sensing block, operators block, variables block, and last one is my blocks. Okay, so when we are clicking on each block, we will get a variety of commands or instructions. Okay, then next one is script area. Script area, when we are clicking on each block, we will get a variety of commands. Here we can drag and drop to the stage. Okay, script areas, that is the place. For example, now I am clicking on event block, so when clicked I can drag to that script area. Okay, then this way we can do that. If you want to move that, we can click on motion and move 10 step forward. Then this number also we can change that 10 to 50. Now we gave us 50. Then just when I am clicking on this, or here itself we can click on the green, that sprite started to move. Sprite means this cat is known as sprite. Okay, then next one is this area is called stage. Stage means where we can see the output. This is the area, that is the output of the project is seen on the stage area. Okay, then right side of the stage we can see here one green flag is there. This is to start or run the project. This is using to start or run the project, that is green flag. Then next to green flag one red flag is there. This is used to stop the running project, to stop the project. And right side we can see here three options, that is first one is makes the stage area look smaller. When we are clicking on this one, see, now the stage area becomes smaller one. If you are clicking the next option, that stage area become bigger one. Okay. Then last one is that full screen will displays. That is the stage area displays as the full screen. Now you can see only the output screen we can visible. This is the use of full screen option. Okay. Now next one is about this area. Here we can see one animal's face, that is one cat. This is known as sprite. So the when we open Scratch we can see one yellow color sprite, that is this is the default sprite. So what is the default sprite? The default sprite in the Scratch application is a yellow cat. So we can change this sprite as per our need. If you need to change this one, that's a play option is there, we can change. And number of sprite also we can add to this each project. Okay, for that how to do that? Now go down. Then here we can see sprite 1 is displayed here. Here one delete option is there. If you want to delete this sprite, just click on this delete option. Now I going to click on the delete option. That sprite will disappear from the screen. Okay, it deleted. Now how to add more sprite? For that, here one option is there. When we are clicking on this one, we can see four options are there. Okay, the first one is find a new sprite from the Scratch library. That is the first one. Just choose a sprite. Next one is paint our own sprite using paint editor. Then next one is surprise. Get a surprise sprite. And last option is upload a sprite. Add a new sprite from our desktop. These are the four options. So now I am going to search choose another sprite. So for that click on this option. Then a window will get that contains variety of sprite types are there. All will display all the categories. If you want to give a particular category animals, then click on that animals, only it will displays animals. Then if I am clicking on people, then different types of people will display the fantasy, then dance, music. So according to sports, if you want to create a sports, all the different categories of sports will get food, food will get then fashion, that also will get. These are the different categories. So if you are selecting all together will display. Okay, now I will select one sprite, this baby I'm selecting. Now see this is about sprite. Now we can change this sprite, we can hide this sprite. Now Abhi is that sprite name that it is displayed here. If you want to hide that one, just we can click on this option. Then that sprite will disappear from the screen. Next to left of that one show option also it will show. Then direction also we can change a direction, that is turning the position 180 degree, 90 degree. That also we can change the size also if you want to increase or decrease. Now 100 is given there. If I am giving a 70, that size reduce it. that we can change here. Make it as 100 itself. Direction also there, 90 or 100, whatever it is, we can change that one. Then next to that one, this is about sprite. Now see, next we are discussing about backdrop, or backdrop mean or background. See, now this background on the stage is which color? That is default stage background is white in color. Background means background is called backdrop. Okay, so here the default one is white itself. We can change that background color by adding, change that backdrop. Okay, for that want to do, go come down, and here one choose a backdrop option is there. When we are clicking on that one, variety of background will get. So click, you can select which one we need. Now I am selecting a city with this one. Now this sprite want to delete it, I want to add another sprite just like a ship. So for that, once again I am choosing a sprite, another sprite. Okay, sailboat, I got it. Now I am going to reduce the size. This we can make it 70. Now I reduce the size. We can drag the position also. Okay, now background set it, and one sprite also. Now I set that. Now how we can create that one? How we can move this one? For that, first want to go to event block. Then when clicked, want to select it first. Okay, then after that this want to move now, so we can go to motion block, then move 10 steps. That number we can change, make it 10 as 20 I have. Then turn right side 15 degree, again move 10 step. Now we can just click on this. Green flag. Once again. Again move 10 step. Then turn. Again move. Like that we can make that sprite move on the screen. Okay. Not only one, we can add more sprite and we can apply more backdrop also. Now I am going to add one more, another sprite. Now this we can move it. How to move that one? For that we want to start another project. First what want to go to event block, select event click first, then want to go to motion block, then move 10 steps. Instead of this move 10 steps, we can change that number as 50. When we are clicking on and click on the click on that green flag, we can visible that is moving on the stage. To save this project, want to go to file tab and select save to your computer. Then we can give a name also. We can select the folder that I selected here as desktop. Scratch a project automatically name came. Now I gave as sample. Then click save option. Now I am going to close that one. Window. Machine is slow. That's why now that save option is not active now. So now I think we're clear about the components of Scratch window. That is topmost bar, title bar, below menu bar, left side below that menu bar we can see block palettes. 10 blocks are there, and script area, that is where we are dragging that each and every commands from that each block, that is known as script area. And right side we can see stage. This area we can see the output of the project. Then we can select different sprite from the sprite library, and we can change the background from the backdrop. If I close Scratch, we can see the saved project displayed here, sample.sb3. That is the extension.